Tsade and a Final Tsade together. Yesterday we did Final Tsade. Let's go back to the Tsade. This makes a tss sound, TS sound. And the pronunciations are as follows. Joseph, would you lead us in the pronunciations kindly?
Yes. Sa.
Sa.
Su.
Su.
So.
So.
Se.
Se.
Si.
Si. Well done. Gabriel, could I ask you to review for us kindly the pronunciations of the Tsade?
Yes. Sa.
Well done.
Su.
Well done. One moment, please. We have another learner. Karabusana, John. Thank you. Sue, well done. Next, kindly.
So.
Yes.
Se.
Se.
Si.
Well done. Thank you. Let's review now our Final Tsade. And again, for our newer learners, there are 5 letters in the Hebrew alphabet that have final forms. The final forms of the letters are when the letters need to appear at the end of a word. So we developed an exercise sheet to help us understand how the Final Tsade looks. Looks a little bit like a Y, except it extends down below the line. And Joseph, would you be good enough to lead us in the pronunciation of Final Tsade?
Yes. Ats.
Ots,
Oats.
oats,
Oots.
oots,
Ets.
eights.
It's.
Nice job. Very nice job. Moses, would you be kind enough to take a turn at the pronunciations of the Final Tsade?
Ats,
Well done.
oats,
Yes.
oots,
Nice.
ets,
Eights,
eats.
eats. Nice work. Now we're going to have some fun. What we're going to do is we're going to take a Tsade, add a vowel below it, and end with the Final Tsade. And this will reinforce for us the concept of a final letter. And I will lead the pronunciation drill. And please feel free to repeat after me. Sats. Seats.
Sits.
Nice. Sats.
Sats,
Good. Seats.
Sits.
zet,
Soats. Nice, nice. Seats.
zits,
Very good. Soats.
zots,
Nice. Sats.
zats.
So I don't think that this combination of TS occurs very often in Kiswahili. I don't know Kiswahili enough to know whether it does or not. But I think that when we face a new pronunciation, for example, the chet is going to be easier for some than others. And after a while, we actually get tired and our our muscles aren't developed enough to get that chet out or to get the tsadi out. The tsadi has a tendency to become z, but it's not a z, it's not a zayin, it's a tsadi. So,
Sat.
right, tsadi, let's, with the tongue is on the palate of the mouth.
Sat.
So, nice, tsats, that's it. Okay. Very good work, very good work. Let's welcome our newest learner. Brian, thank you very much for joining us. Karibu sana. We are going to finish reviewing now a drill which combines the normal instance of a tsadi with the final version, the final form of the tsadi. We're on the first, second, third, the second line to the bottom, and Moses is leading us in these recitals. Kindly continue for us, Moses.
Zets.
Make sure it's not a z, but a tsa, tsates.
Sets.
Excellent, perfect. Continue, please.
Sots.
Yes. And the lay,
Zets.
nice. And lastly,
That is Zut.
but it's not, it's suits.
Toots.
Yes. So after a while, we get tired of that and just want to go z, but you're going to become very strong with your tsadi, I guarantee, in no time. Now we're going to challenge our producer with his reading challenges of the day. Several of us have not actually gone through all 22 letters yet. The purpose of these videos is for production onto YouTube. We're actually all the way to the end of the alphabet, and Joseph is actually prepared to start putting some words together. So we're going to be hopefully inspired by you, Joseph. Let's start with something that'll warm you up a little bit. Let's try line 7 to warm up. Starting with the ayin combined with the kamats makes the ah.
A.
Ah. This is our final fey, by the way.
Af.
Nice. Off.
Da.
Da.
Daf.
Doff. Very good.
Half.
Chaf.
Kaf.
Kaf. Nice.
Saf.
Saf.
Af.
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 Well done. Continue, please.
V.
So this is a nun.
Sorry. Ni.
That's okay. E.
Neat.
So this is our normal fey.
Nif.
And I think that your reading is just outstanding, Joseph. Congratulations. I want to take a moment because it's very understandable. We're looking at the fey, or in this case, it's the pay. And take a look at the tet. There's quite a bit of similarity there. It almost looks like the tet is turned on its side, but it has a similarity of shape to the pay. As you become more experienced with your reading, you'll be more sensitive and aware of the subtleties between some of the letters. For example, the mem and the final mem, there's really not too much difference. There's a little bit of a space there that the final mem closes, and there's a little bit of a dent on the head, which the final mem fills. So these are some of the challenges to the letters, but through regular review, it becomes very clear. You'll also notice, for example, the final mem compared to the samech, except for this cutting out the corner on the samech, they're practically identical. So the mem, final mem, and the samech can be confusing even to advanced readers until we become quite experienced, but don't fear them at all. They'll all become your friends in good time. Let's challenge Joseph to continue with line 8 kindly.
Na.
Okay,
Naf.
knee. Let's start at the beginning of line 8 with knee.
Ni.
Good.
Nif.
Yes.
Nife.
And actually, this would be a pause. One of the special helper roles of the shva is simply to tell us to pause. We need not pronounce it at all. We can do it just like we did the nif. It's also another instance of nif.
Nif.
Nice.
Nif.
Yes.
La.
Now I'm going to give you a secret of pronunciation, which is a new bit of information. Every now and then, our friend the kamats, which we're all comfortable with now and has the ah sound, every now and then, the kamats becomes a bit shy and turns into an O. And one of the times that that happens is before an aleph. So actually the pronunciation of a lamed with a kamatz under it followed by an aleph is low. In this case, not in every case. And this is where simply understanding the meanings of words and being exposed to Hebrew words will tell you when to pronounce it low and when to pronounce it la. For example, Joseph, in the next word, we pronounce it nifla. Nifla. But in this case, it's low. Lamed Aleph is low, and it means no in Hebrew. Nifla means miraculous. Something miraculous, a miracle took place. Let's continue with line 9 to give everybody a chance to hear your recital, Joseph. Very much appreciated. Very good work.
Thank you. Ma.
Ma.
Maf.
Yes.
Maf.
Well done.
Li.
Excellent. And you'll notice that we understand the aleph is silent, so there's no pronunciation, but it serves as a placeholder for the end of this word li. Continue, please.
Maflag.
It's also the chirik, the long version of the e.
Yes. Mafli.
Well done.
Vomafli.
Very good. Excellent work.